If the Earth is spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, shouldn't we all be flung into outer space? Well, here's why. We stay firmly planted on the ground. Hey there, welcome to my channel. First things first, let's imagine what it'd be like if Earth wasn't spinning at all. If that were the case, you'd probably notice something strange. You'd feel a weird sensation all over your body, like an invisible force was pulling you toward the center of the planet. That's because if Earth weren't spinning, everything on its surface would be bunched up in the middle. All the planet's mass would be concentrated in a smaller space, meaning there'd be way more mass pulling on you from all directions. And you'd feel on a non-spinning Earth, you'd weigh about 20% more than you do now. You'd also be a whole lot closer to your friends in South America and Asia. Since there'd be no more continents, only a giant, pancake. Really, no one would live there though, since Earth's magnetic field wouldn't form properly without the planet's spin. And we need that magnetic field to protect us from harmful radiation in space. So no Earth spin, no life. But our planet does spin, which creates another problem. If Earth is hurling around that fast, shouldn't we all just go flying off into outer space? To answer that, let's take a closer look at what happens when you spin something really fast, like a basketball. When you spin the ball, it wants to keep spinning forever. That's inertia, the tendency of an object to resist changes in its motion. A stationary ball has a certain amount of inertia, which is fairly easy to set in motion. But once it's moving, especially at high speeds, it takes a lot of force to slow it down or change its direction. In the case of the Earth, its inertia keeps it spinning along its axis. But the Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It bulges at the equator, which means points on the equator are moving faster than points near the poles. That creates a force that pulls things away from the poles and toward the equator. It's called centrifugal force. So centrifugal force pulls you away from the center of the Earth, but gravity pulls you toward it. And since gravity is stronger than centrifugal force, it wins out. Otherwise, we'd all be floating away from Earth. So, how strong is this centrifugal force, that tries to fling us into space? Turns out it's really not that strong at all. Researchers have calculated that Earth's centrifugal force is about 289 times weaker than gravity. So don't worry, you're not going to go flying off the planet anytime soon. In fact, Earth would have to spin almost 17 times faster for centrifugal force to overcome gravity and send stuff flying. So much faster than its current speed of 1,600 kilometers per hour. At 17 times that speed, it'd be more like 27,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, not only would we all be launched into space, Earth's atmosphere would get stripped away and our oceans would boil. Yeah, it'd be pretty rough. So no need to worry about flying away, but maybe watch out for that pesky asteroid that could wipe out Earth at any moment. Now you know that gravity is a powerful force that keeps us grounded. Quite literally. Like literally? Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how gravity works, check out the series linked above. And subscribe for more science made simple.